There's a light in the sky that defies the rules of physics. A phenomenon so ancient it predates human memory, and so rare it feels like a secret the Earth has never shared with us. It dances across the atmosphere like a whisper from another world, a luminous waltz between the planet and the sun, carried by magnetic forces we barely understand. To witness it is to stand at the edge of the known, where the familiar sky dissolves into the unknown, and the universe speaks in colors. These lights are more than beauty. They are echoes of the Earth's past, a silent conversation between the planet and the cosmos, waiting to be understood. In this moment, we are not just observers. We are part of a story older than time, written in light and magnetic fields, waiting to be read. We're talking about shimmering curtains of light that dance across the polar skies. Not just beauty, but a complex interplay of charged particles and Earth's magnetic field. These are not just light shows. They're ancient messages from the sun, encoded in plasma and energy, carried by the solar wind across the cosmos. These anomalies are not random. They are shaped by the Earth's magnetic field, bending and guiding the particles into patterns that have persisted through time. They are a kind of atmospheric memory, a record of the sun's activity and Earth's response, written in light and energy across the heavens. Understanding them is not just about beauty. It's about decoding the ancient language of our planet and its celestial neighbors. These auroras aren't just light shows. They're ancient messages encoded in the Earth's atmosphere, revealing how our planet interacts with cosmic forces beyond our control. Every flicker and pulse tells a story of magnetic storms, solar winds, and the invisible dance between Earth and the sun. A story we're only beginning to understand. The aurora is a warning system, a cosmic alarm that reminds us how fragile our atmosphere is in the face of the universe's raw power. You may not notice it, but the aurora is watching you. Its light revealing secrets about Earth's magnetic field, its climate, and its place in the cosmos. In a world of chaos, the aurora offers a rare moment of clarity, a reminder that we are not alone in the universe, and that we are still learning how to read its language. The aurora has been dancing across the skies for millennia, long before human eyes could name it. Its light, a silent witness to the Earth's magnetic battles, has shaped the myths and science of countless civilizations. From the frozen tundras of the north to the desert skies of the south, the aurora has left its mark on human memory. It has been both a guide and a guardian, a symbol of the unknown. In the annals of ancient astronomy, the aurora was often mistaken for divine signs, celestial fire, or the breath of the gods. It was a mystery that shaped early understandings of the universe. As centuries passed and the Earth's magnetic field shifted, so too did the aurora's reach. It moved, faded, and returned, a testament to the dynamic forces at play in our atmosphere. Today, we look at the aurora through the lens of physics and geology, yet its ancient rhythm still echoes in our collective imagination. It is a reminder of Earth's silent, powerful dance with the cosmos. So, imagine Earth as a giant spinning top, with a magnetic shield around it, keeping the sun's fierce winds at bay. But sometimes that shield gets a little tired. When the sun sends out a big burst of energy, it can bend Earth's magnetic field, like stretching a rubber band. This causes the charged particles to spiral down and light up the sky. Sometimes the aurora gets really intense, like when Earth is feeling a strong hug from the sun. That's when the sky lights up like a giant, glowing curtain. Even though it looks magical, the aurora is a sign that Earth's magnetic field is working hard to protect us. It's nature's way of saying, I'm still here. So next time you see the aurora, remember it's not just light. It's a message from Earth, telling you that our planet is alive, strong, and still learning to talk to the stars. The aurora begins with the sun, a distant, radiant star whose magnetic field threads through the solar system like invisible ropes. These magnetic threads, known as coronal mass ejections, carry charged particles hurtling through space at unimaginable speeds. This magnetic field is not static. It's a dynamic, living structure, constantly shifting and interacting with the solar wind. The collision of solar particles with Earth's magnetic field creates a current, a flow of energy that spirals toward the poles. As these currents reach the upper atmosphere, they collide with gas molecules, igniting them in a cascade of light that we call the aurora. Once charged, the charged particles spiral along the magnetic field lines, guided by the Earth's invisible force, like a cosmic current flowing through the fabric of the sky. As they spiral, they collide with oxygen and nitrogen molecules in the upper atmosphere, transferring energy in a cascade of electromagnetic interactions. The collision excites the atoms, which then emit photons as they return to their stable state, creating the luminous hues we see in the aurora. Each photon is a whisper from the cosmos, a fleeting glimpse into the interplay of energy, magnetism, and the atmosphere's ancient, delicate balance. The aurora is not just a spectacle, but a testament to the unseen forces that shape our world and connect us to the universe beyond. The real twist begins when we consider how charged particles are guided, not just by the magnetic field, but by the very structure of the atmosphere itself. The ionosphere, a layer of charged particles high above us, acts as a kind of funnel. These particles aren't just drifting, they're being channeled by electromagnetic waves, which ripple through the upper atmosphere like invisible ripples in a pond. This is a dance of force and motion. The ionosphere's density and temperature vary, altering the speed and direction of these particles. This dynamic interplay creates the flickering, undulating patterns we see in the sky. Even as the solar wind continues its relentless push, the atmosphere responds with a kind of memory, retaining traces of past interactions and shaping the future of the aurora's display. It's not just about the sun or the magnetic field. It's about the atmosphere itself, a living, breathing participant in this ancient cosmic performance. Beneath the aurora's shimmer, the atmosphere hums with unseen forces, a symphony of charged particles colliding in electric dance. These particles, accelerated by Earth's magnetic field, spiral down like celestial threads, igniting the air with their kinetic energy. This is not just light. It's a collision of space and air, an ancient dialogue between the solar wind and Earth's magnetic shield. Every ripple, every pulse is a record of the planet's magnetic heartbeat, a reminder of the invisible forces that shape our world. Imagine a vast, invisible ocean in the sky, filled with charged particles, swirling and colliding like a cosmic storm, yet never touching the ground. These particles are not just floating. They are dancing to the rhythm of Earth's magnetic field, pulled and pushed by forces beyond our sight. Like a mirror reflecting the unseen, the aurora reveals the invisible, turning the atmosphere into a canvas for the universe's magnetic poetry. It's not just beauty, it's a message, a pulse from the cosmos, encoded in light and motion, waiting to be deciphered. So, in this dance of light and force, we find not just wonder, but a glimpse into the silent, ancient language of the earth and sky. Before you go, if you enjoyed this, please give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. And tell us in the comments what you'd like us to make next. We read every single one. Thank you so much for watching. Comment this emoji if you made it to the end.